The Amazon rainforest, while known for its incredible biodiversity and ecological importance, also has several dark sides and dangers that are often overlooked. Deforestation threatens countless species that call the Amazon home, pushing many to the brink of extinction. Clearing forests contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating global climate change. Illegal logging operations destroy vast tracts of forest and disrupt ecosystems. The remoteness of the Amazon makes it a prime location for illegal drug cultivation and trafficking, often leading to violence and instability in local communities. Indigenous rights violations. Indigenous peoples often face displacement from their ancestral lands due to commercial interests, leading to loss of culture and identity. Many indigenous communities encounter violence from loggers, miners, and land grabbers, putting their lives and traditions at risk. Environmental degradation. Mining and agricultural activities introduce toxins into the environment, harming both wildlife and local communities. Rivers can become contaminated by chemicals and waste from mining and agriculture, affecting drinking water sources. Climate impacts. Deforestation can lead to changes in local climates, resulting in extreme weather patterns that affect agriculture and water supply. The Amazon plays a crucial role in regulating rainfall across South America. Deforestation threatens this balance. Health risks. Deforestation can increase exposure to zoonotic diseases, those transmitted from animals to humans, as wildlife comes into closer contact with people. Remote areas of the Amazon often lack access to healthcare, making populations vulnerable to health crises. Human rights abuses. Workers in illegal logging and mining operations often endure harsh conditions, with few rights or protections. While the Amazon holds immense value as a natural resource and a carbon sink, these dangers highlight the urgent need for conservation efforts and protections for both its ecosystems and the people who inhabit them.